Bonjour, c'est Claire à French in the Midlands. Today I want to show you the differences and similarities between three words, si, tant and tellement. The question I always have is, how do you know when to use which one? Let's have a look. All three of these words are intensifiers. They mean so or so much. In a sentence, for instance, you would say it's good and you could say it's so good, so that's where they come in. The thing is, they're not always interchangeable, but the good news is more often than not, you can change them around. I'll show you how. Let's start with the first one, si, which means so. You can have so plus adjective, as in il est si gentil, because gentil is the adjective. He is so nice. Il est si gentil. He is so nice. Or so plus adverb. Il travaille si vite, where vite is the adverb. He works so fast. So il travaille si vite. He works so fast. Bear in mind though, si is a posh version of so, and we'll see what you can use later on instead, if you want to. Tellement means so and so much or so many. We've seen tellement in a previous video where I was comparing tel with tellement. So this slide in this video is exactly the same as the one before, just to help you remember if you've seen the other video. Tellement can mean two things. So, as in c'est tellement vrai, it's so true. Or so much. Elle travaille tellement qu'elle n'a même pas le temps de sortir. She works so much that she hasn't even got time to go out. Elle travaille tellement qu'elle n'a même pas le temps de sortir. So two things for tellement, while si only meant one, and it meant so. Tant means so much or so many. First of all, so much, as in on a tant ri. We laughed so much. On a tant ri. In English, you would obviously say we had such a laugh, but in French, literally, it's we laughed so much. Or it can mean so many, as in il y a tant de monde ici. There's so many people in here. Il y a tant de monde ici. Do not worry too much about tant, because it's a posh version of so much or so many, and there's something else you can use instead that will make your life easier, and I'll show you on the next slide. This is spoken French, so real life. In real life, we kind of ignore what the grammar says we should do, and we take shortcuts, and this is one of them, where you can actually use tellement to mean so. So I've used the same examples as before, but I've replaced si with tellement. Il est tellement gentil. He is so nice. Works perfectly fine. Il travaille tellement vite. He works so fast. And you can also use tellement for so many or so much. Il y a tellement de monde ici. There's so many people in here. On a tellement ri. We laughed so much. Again, they're the same examples as previously, but we're going to use tellement for everything. And really, I just want you to bear this in mind. If all you want is to speak French and manage, then remember tellement. That's all I'm asking you. That's it for this video. I hope that was useful to you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And for anything else, go to frenchinthemidlands.com. À bientôt.